Welcome to Discover Agriculture. Today, we're exploring Sungold tomato farming. Known for their sweet taste and vibrant orange color, Sungold tomatoes are a favorite among gardeners and chefs. Whether you're experienced or new to gardening, our video will help you grow these delightful fruits. Start with high-quality Sungold tomato seeds from a reputable supplier to ensure robust plants and a bountiful harvest. Sungold tomatoes thrive in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Test your soil's pH level and aim for a slightly acidic range of 6.0 to 6.8. Amend the soil with compost or organic matter to improve fertility and structure. Begin by sowing seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost date. Plant seeds a 1/4 inch deep in seed starting mix and keep them in a warm, sunny location or under grow lights. Select a sunny location for transplanting, as Sungold tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Space the seedlings 24 to 36 inches apart in rows. Dig holes deep enough to bury the seedlings up to their first set of true leaves, as this encourages a stronger root system. Use stakes or cages to support the growing plants and keep the fruit off the ground. This prevents diseases and makes harvesting easier. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the foliage, which can lead to disease. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer at planting time and again mid-season. Sungold tomatoes benefit from additional potassium for fruit development. Remove the suckers to direct energy towards fruit production. This also improves air circulation and reduces disease risk. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests like aphids, hornworms, or whiteflies, and treat with appropriate organic or chemical controls. Practice crop rotation and avoid planting tomatoes in the same spot each year. Remove any diseased plants promptly to prevent spread. Sungold tomatoes typically ripen 55 to 65 days after transplanting. Harvest when they are fully orange and slightly soft to the touch. Gently twist or cut the fruit from the vine to avoid damaging the plant. And there you have it. You're now ready to enjoy a delicious harvest of Sungold tomatoes. These sweet, juicy gems are a fantastic addition to any garden. Thanks for joining us at Discover Agriculture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Happy farming!